How to turn on Do Not Disturb in Diablo Immortal. Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech for Gamers. If you're trying to enjoy a smoothing gaming session in Diablo Immortal without random pop-ups or interruptions, then you can turn on the Do Not Disturb mode. First of all, launch open the Diablo Immortal game on your device. Once you're inside, go to the upper right hand corner and tap on the menu icon. Now, click on the gear button at the top right, and from the settings menu that appears on the screen, tap on notifications on the left. After you tap notifications, you'll see two different options that says do not disturb nighttime and do not disturb daytime. Go ahead and toggle on one of the options you want to turn on. If you don't want to be disturbed in nighttime, then turn on this first option. If you don't want to be disturbed at daytime as well, turn on this second option. You can keep both of them on as well, and you'll be able to turn off your notification for the game and enjoy a fully distraction-free experience. If you ever want to turn off Do Not Disturb, just come to this page and switch off these buttons according to your preference. And that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned, and thanks for watching.